If you're running an online business, you already know the struggle. You're juggling multiple subscriptions, clunky platforms, and tools that barely talk to each other. What if you could stop the chaos and get everything you need to grow, streamline, and automate all in one place? Introducing SaaS Launch Kit, a powerful collection of 10 premium apps, each with personal rights, designed to make your marketing, branding, analytics, and automation seamless. Here's what you're getting. Linkify AI, create clean branded biolink pages with built-in link shorteners and click tracking. Smart QR AI, make beautiful custom QR codes that match your brand with full analytics. Proofly AI, instantly boost conversions with social proof pop-ups, FOMO alerts, and engagement widgets. VCard Vault, replace boring business cards with elegant digital versions your clients can't forget. Omniot AI, use 50+ AI tools to generate social content, blog posts, product descriptions, and more in seconds. Codekit AI, a powerhouse toolkit with over 1,800 web and marketing tools, one-click access to the exact tool you need. Push Pilot, send push notifications directly to your audience's browser, perfect for traffic and engagement. Anonymize, track visitors and traffic trends while keeping privacy front and center. No creepy tracking here. Status Scope, know the moment your site, server, or SSL goes down. Stay proactive with real-time monitoring. SwiftSend, share files securely with full encryption, expiry settings, and control over every send. Together, these apps replace dozens of services, saving you hundreds per month in subscription fees. And because you're getting personal rights, they're yours to use again and again in your business, with no limits, no monthly fees, and no catch. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, marketer, or small business owner, this is your shortcut to running a smarter, more efficient operation without tech overwhelm. All 10 apps, personal rights, one simple bundle. No subscriptions, no restrictions, no nonsense. But this offer won't last long. Click below now to grab your access before it's gone and unlock the ultimate digital toolbox for your business.